everybody, I'm Joe from Fox Point. Today I want to go through a shoulder strengthening circuit that I think is important, especially for throwing athletes as well as anybody that is having shoulder pain or feels like they have shoulder weakness. What I have in my hand today are 2-pound weights. I like these because with our shoulder exercises to strengthen our rotator cuff and our deltoids, we don't need anything too heavy. So if you have 2-pound weights at home, or it's the equivalent to a soup can at home. So they're very easy to use and to find. So the first exercise I want to do is we're just going to do forward raises. And it's going to be both arms, nice and easy. We don't want to swing our arms forward. We want to go nice and slow. And we're aiming for 2 sets of 10. Now the second progression of that, once we get to our 2 sets of 10, is our starting point is now up top. We want our arms at 90 degrees of shoulder flexion, and we're going to drop one arm at a time. So now we're working 2 phases of our muscle contraction. And again, we're going to go 2 rounds of 10. After each set of 10, you can take a little break. So once we progress from there, we're then going to go to lateral raises. And it's the same set and rep sequence as 2 sets of 10. Again, just raising the arms to the side. Once we get our 2 sets of 10, we're going to drop one arm at a time. You should feel a little burn on the outsides of your shoulders and your deltoids. Now from there, once we progress and finish the first 2 exercises, we're then going to work on the back of the shoulder or our rotator cuff. We're going to just do bent over flies. Nice and easy, thinking about just activating the back of our shoulder and pinching our shoulder blades together. Again, once we finish that 2 sets of 10, we're then going to start up top and drop one arm at a time. The variation of holding the top position in an isometric contraction, in my opinion, is one of the hardest. So if you need to take a break, that's perfectly fine. The last one we want to do is we want to do an overhead press. Same sets and reps. We'll start with 10. Nice and easy. Full range of motion. And then the next set is we're starting up at the top and working one arm down at a time. Same thing, 2 sets of 10. Once you finish all that, you can kind of shake your shoulders out, get some of that acid out of our arms, lactic acid from all the hard work that we just did. That's an easy shoulder strengthening circuit that can be done at home, can be done at school, can be done at work, anywhere that you have open space, as well as the gym. Easy way to strengthen our shoulders and make sure that we're pain-free. If anybody has any questions, contact us at Freedom.